Come, check out these Halloween charms in this collaborative Halloween jewelry project. See if you can spy pumpkins, treasures, creatures, and lots of orange and black in this handmade Halloween charm necklace and Halloween charm bracelet. There are beads, wirework, polymer clay, and a wide variety of other mixed media charms and festive creations. Many artists contributed pieces to this DIY Halloween jewelry project. Each person made identical charms for everyone else who participated. Then we mailed them to the hostess, who divvied them up and sent them back to us, so we each got a complete set. I purchased a black link chain, arranged them with some additional bead dangles, and attached them all to create both a DIY Halloween bracelet and a Halloween charm necklace with this fun and unique charm swap project. These Halloween jewelry crafts were created 10 years ago, and I thank all the creative jewelry makers who participated. What a fun gift we gave to each other. Let's tour the individual charms. Maybe they will inspire you to come up with your own handmade Halloween charms, handmade Halloween jewelry, or other themed fall jewelry ideas. Challenge yourself. How many pumpkins, cats, bats, and witches' hats can you find in this Halloween jewelry tour? subscribe to Creative Solace Studios for more art videos. Please like and comment on the video. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite in these charms, or what kind of Halloween charm did they inspire you to create?